friends, welcome to lesson 86 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. This is the last lesson of the book. Congratulations on making it so far. It is not an easy thing to do. We're going to take this lesson one measure at a time, and we're going to divide it into two sections of 4 measures each. Let's start by preparing our left hand, bringing finger 1 to string number 3, fret number 2, and finger 2 to string number 2, fret number 2 as well. We're also going to need open 5th and open 1st string to begin the piece. The right hand, we're going to prepare it by bringing the thumb to string number 5, index to string number 3, middle finger to string number 2, and ring finger to string number 1. We're going to lift the hand, making sure that the tip of the fingers are super close to the strings to make our job easier. And now we are ready to begin. Once again, we are looking at a lesson that has a finger picking pattern governing the entire piece. We're going to talk about it after seeing measure number 1. Let's begin by plucking strings 5 and 1 at the same time, then index, middle, index. That was string 3, 2, and 1. We're going to keep those two fingers in the same spot, and we're going to bring finger number 3 to string number 1, fret number 3. We pluck it with the ring finger, and then index, middle, index. Again on strings 3, 2, and 3. Then we're going to use finger number 3 as a guiding finger from fret number 2 to fret number 4 as we pluck at the same time strings 5 and 1. As we bring finger number 1 to fret number 2 as a half bar, and the right hand does index, middle, index on strings 3, 2, 3. Then on beat 4 we need finger number 4 on string number 1, fret number 5. We keep the half bar steady on fret number 2, and we pluck ring finger on string 1, and then index, middle, index again on strings 3, 2, 3. You may have noticed the finger picking pattern already. We can synthesize it in 8 strokes, covering 8 16th notes. We have thumb and ring finger at the same time, index, middle, index, ring, index, middle, index. And then the same is going to happen again. Thumb and ring finger at the same time, index, middle, index, ring, index, middle, index. That is the basic finger picking pattern governing the piece. There are going to be some modifications to the finger picking pattern by omitting some fingers sometimes, but we're going to talk about them every time they appear. Let's have a listen to measure number 1 and keep the left hand position at the end of it steady to talk about the transition into measure number 2. To play measure number 2, we need finger 4 right where we had it at the end of measure number 1. So we're going to keep it there. We pluck strings 6 and 1 at the same time as we bring finger 3 to string number 3, fret number 4, and finger number 2 to string number 2, fret number 3. We can now remove finger 1 and we pluck index, middle, index. Then finger 4 slides gently to fret number 4 and we pluck string number 1. Then index and middle do their thing. We continue with open 6th string by itself, index and middle again. As we bring finger 1 to string number 1, fret number 2, and we remove finger 4, we pluck it with the ring finger, index, middle, index on string number 3, 2, and 3. Let's have a listen to measure number 2 and freeze the position of the left hand at the end to see the transition to measure number 3. To go into measure number 3, we are going to keep the left hand just as we have it. Actually, throughout measure number 2 and 3, fingers 2 and 3 do not move at all. Everything is happening on string number 1 with fingers 1, 4, or open string. Measure number 3 starts with finger number 1 on string number 1. We pluck string 6 and 1, index, middle, index, open 1st, index, middle, index. We We bring finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 4, open 6 and string 1, index, middle, index. And we bring finger 1 to string 1, fret 2. As we remove finger 4, we pluck string 1 with a ring finger, index, middle, index again, do their thing. Before moving into measure number 4, let's have a listen and a look at measures 2 and 3. And to go into measure number 4, we're going to start with open strings 5 and 1. As we bring finger 1 to string number 3, fret number 2, and finger 2 to string number 2, fret number 2 as well. Index and middle do the same as they have been doing so far. String 6, index, middle, index. String 5, index, middle, index. As we bring finger 4 to string number 5, fret number 4, it's a little bit of a stretch because we need to keep fingers 1 and 2 where we have them and play them with index, middle, index. We play string number 5, 3, 2, 3. Measure number 5 is an exact repetition of measure number 1. To go into measure number 6, we're going to use finger 1 as a guiding finger, but this time we're going to use it as a bar. Just as we have it, we are going to slide finger 1 all the way to fret number 7, making sure that there's no glissando going on. And when we are here in measure 7, we pluck strings 1 and 4 at the same time, 4 as an open string. Index and middle do the same thing that they have been doing so far, 3, 2, 3. We bring finger number 3 to string number 1, fret number 8, ring finger, index, middle, index. As we bring finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 10, we pluck thumb and ring finger at the same time, strings 4 and 1, index, middle, index. As we remove finger number 4 to activate the note on finger number 1, string number 1, index, middle, index. At the end of measure number 6, we're going to keep the bar with our left hand because once again we're going to use it as a guiding finger or as a guiding bar. We're going to bring it from fret number 7 to fret number 5. As we bring finger number 2 to string number 3, fret number 6, we pluck string number 6 and 1 at the same time, index, middle, index, strings 3, 2, 3. Then we are going to use finger number 2 as a guiding finger, going back 1 fret from fret number 6 to fret number 5. As we bring finger number 3 to string number 1, fret number 5, and we pluck string number 1 first, and then string number 3. As we bring finger number 1 to string number 2, fret number 4, keeping fingers 3 and 2 right where we have them, we pluck string number 2, string number 3 again. Open 6, and then fingers 1 and 2 are going to slide back 1 fret. We bring down finger number 3 on string number 1, fret number 4, and we pluck string 1, 3, 2, 3. And now we're going to see measure 7 once again because it can be a little tricky. We're going to do it slowly. And then we transition into measure 8 by bringing finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 5, as we pluck string number 5 and 1 at the same time, and we release fingers 2 and 1. Bringing finger 1 to a half bar position in fret number 2. Index and middle do the same thing that they have done the entire lesson. String number 6, index, middle, index, and string number 5. And there you have it, friends, lesson 86 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. Once again, congratulations on making it so far. It's quite a good book, this one. I think it's quite a good investment of time to have done it. As usual, in the description box down below, you will find a link to a play-along video where you complete this lesson with me at a slower tempo, and you will also find other good resources to develop your guitar and musicianship skills. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. And as always, I would like to remind you to enjoy the process.